Kia ora, welcome to Whanganui. As you've probably heard, the name of our district is being changed, basically to correct a typo from 1854. So now we've got the spelling right, we want to let people know how to pronounce the name the way we do. In New Zealand, there are different ways to pronounce WH in Māori. In Whanganui, the H is aspirated, so it's not a wha, it's a wa. It's not Whanganui, it's Wanganui. Are you ready to learn?
Wanganui.
Whanganui.
Whanganui.
Spot on.
Whanganui.
Whanganui.
That's the one.
Whanganui.
Wanganui.
Kei te pai.
Wanganui.
Whanganui.
Whanganui.
Yep, think you've got it.
Wanganui.
That's sounding great. So now you know how we say Wanganui. Come and visit us sometime. We'd love to see you.
Wanganui.